Yun! Dumating na rin finally yung merch box 3 ko. I actually wasn't planning on ordering one, but then when I learned that there were built-in speakers, I had to get one for myself. Ang ganda din ng photo card sa kasama, guys. Siguro mga 3 oras ko din tinitigan tong merch box bago ko actually in-attempt buuin. I'm so stressed. Ayoko na, guys. Tinastas ko na lang yung end para lang magkasya. God. Putay na! OMG, natapos ko din finally. Comment if you want me to try the Bluetooth speakers and play music.